Alright, let's put it in the reverse and see what happens.
Guys, Max here with another quick review today. I have installed a reverse camera as my Toyota Orient didn't have one, and I have to install an aftermarket. This is a mirror type reverse LCD mirror camera, and I'm going to explain what you shouldn't buy as a aftermarket reverse camera. So here is how I have installed the camera, as you can see, and the gear shifter is in reverse position. As you can see, the four LED lights on the camera itself are light up now, which is a bit odd. Shouldn't actually show themselves like this. But anyway, let's go inside and have a look what we can see in the LCD, which is a mirror type. Okay, this is how the LCD looks like undercover inside the parking, and you can see the shelves behind me. That's my tools and stuff. Uh, there are a few adjustments and the back of the LCD, the mirror, three buttons that I will show you shortly. Okay, this is how the back of the LCD mirror looks like. As you can see, there is only three buttons: adjusting color, saturation, contrast and brightness, and as well as language, which I don't know what it is used for. Maybe the same adjustment only. And it just clips onto your original mirror like this.
Alright, now I'm no longer undercover and lights coming out of that window. So obviously I've adjusted the mirror to see the rear of the car. And alright, let's put it in the reverse and see what happens. Okay, this is my view. This is what actually I can see. Nothing. I should really try to focus to see, yes, there is something there, but there's not even sunlight out there. It's cloudy, and the brightness of the LCD is not enough, and it even gets worse when you wear sunglasses. Almost impossible when there is severe sunlight and also you wear sunglasses from different angles.
The other two issues that I have is the camera itself is not a wide angle, and that's a that's kind of problematic. Also, the LED lights on the camera itself, they are normal LED lights and they shouldn't be. And here is the night view. Pretty not good. You can see my brake lights, but no detail. Let's see what is in the back. This is my camera's view. As you can see, even the lights, the LED lights, 4 LED lights on the camera itself is on as well as my backup lights.
Even if I readjust it to view more of a range. Yep, that's it. Not much detail. And once again, you can see this is the brightness. Brightness 100%. Contrast. Let's make it more. Is there any difference? Yes, a bit of difference. So obviously more contrast might help a bit. And then what we got, more saturation. Let's reduce the saturation. I think it's worse now. Let's do with almost 50% saturation. And then we got brightness again, contrast. Reducing the brightness just makes everything look more darker. And then the lasting tint. Higher. Let's go with 50% again. Language English. Mode 16 to 9. And that's all.
Alright guys, the judgment is yours. If you want to buy something and install yourself, please buy something of more quality from wherever, doesn't matter. But this type of LCDs, I don't have a good experience and I don't suggest you to install such type. Alright, as usual, please give me a thumb up and subscribe. Thank you and catch you later.